Well, hello everyone. We have found our words to describe what's going on. Anyway, anywho, we are... Rain is back!
We're doing rain.
We're doing rain. Rain is back, people! Rain is back.
And it's produced by Sai.
By Sai, yes. Or Gangnam Style. Hey.
Gentleman.
I got it from my da.
Hangover.
This is not even... Anyway, so Rain is back, people. Rain is back. He performed at the 31st Golden Disc Awards. And I watched so many fan cams of like BTS, everyone dancing, but BTS killed it with their thing. I don't know what Jungkook was doing at one point. It's just because they performed Rainism at the MBC Countdown to New Year, so they already knew all the choreography anyway. Anyway, so this is Rain. Iwan doesn't know Rain, hasn't heard of Rain. Rain, but.
Rain.
Anyway, Hoodle, this came out a while ago, I don't know.
There's no rain.
Wow. Anyway, this is Rain, the best present. I heard he gets shirtless at one point. I hope he does. Anyway, let's go.
Hope you're not on the rain. That was the wrong screen.
Oh. I missed him.
Because I'm Michael Jackson.
I've missed
feel.
him. Oh! Oh. Get it, boy! Wow! Take the shit off. Take it off. Get
Some
it.
tight pants.
Wow. Would you ever wear leather pants?
I'm not wearing leather trousers, no. It must be uncomfortable though. Just sweating.
I've literally... Have you got goosebumps?
Do you remember the Friends episode?
Oh,
The
with
Ross
Ross.
with the pencil.
He's such a good looking man. Look at him. Oh, that lip bite.
Ooh.
Wow. Get it, Rain.
Come on, dance with me. The rodeo.
Sorry. It kind of looks like a cowboy as well.
I get Dude, did you see that?
Sorry. Oh my god.
I'm getting like a Michael Jackson feel. I think it's because
Oh
of
my
the hat.
god. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
The hell did they come
It's
from?
a magic trick.
Wow. Oh, he's in white.
Ooh.
Wow. Oh my god, that's red. Was that it? That hit my eyes.
It speaks to you, doesn't it?
It does.
Oh.
No, we're not
The crew's back.
Hundun and gun. I forgot how good of a dancer he was.
Ooh. I'm just looking at that guy's beard on the left.
Oh, the both of them. One of them just got it here, the other one's just got the full beard. Ah! I need it all off, Rain, I'm sorry.
Oh, he's gonna get high.
I'm gonna get seriously dizzy.
I think he can dance in those trousers is kind of remarkable.
What?
Break it down for him.
Get it, Dad. Get it, Rain. Get it.
Oh, go.
Get it, Rain.
Go and get it. Come on. Oh, the crew's back.
Oh! Killed it! The high note. we've gone from IOI, which was slow, to then to Sehun, which was fast, to CLC, which was just amazing, to back to...
And then we brought it down.
Oh, Rain! Look at me. Oh my god. Take it off.
Who's going to dip the hat?
Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. That was good.
He just tricked you. You went forward, you were like, come to me, Rain. But then he was like, no. I must leave.
No.
I must leave.
Oh. I'm gonna need a minute. Really have missed Rain. Like, that was like a mellowed song to mellow us out from Hobgoblin.
Yeah. Just brought it back down to reality.
Back to reality. Up, oh, there goes gravity. I deserve that. That was poor. I still got goosebumps. Let's give me goosebumps.
Rain done. Bing bong.
Bing bing bong.
Bing bing bong. Bang bang.
Nada
Bang
bing
bang
bing bing. What's it? Nada bing bing. Yeah.
Bing bing.
Yeah.
Bing
Bing bing.
Right, Bruno?
That's like, yo, bitches, feed me.
What time is it?
Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Thank you guys for watching. That was Rain with The Best Present. But what would have been more best if the whole shirt had just come off. But you know.
It was a good present.
It was very classy. It was basically telling us that Rain is back. That was really good by Psy though.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to the beat to drop and then to the up and gang. Anyway, so that was Rain, The Best Present. Have we got one more to go?
Yeah.
One more to go, people. So we'll see you in a bit.
See you. One job.